Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use Aero Proctoring extension during online examination on the Moodle website. So first of all you need to download and install the Aero Proctoring extension. So just let me delete it first. So here's the link you can use to go into Internet Shop of the Google Chrome. So you can use only Google Chrome browser. No other browsers such as Mozilla Firefox or Opera or Microsoft Edge is not compatible with Aero Proctoring extension. So you need to use only Google Chrome and make sure that your browser is up to date. So right now is 87th version of the Google Chrome. So I need to install it, install extension. So your extension will appear here. You need to pin it first so you can easily access it during your work. So the next step after downloading the extension is to log in into your account, user login and password in order to log in into your system. So after that, you'll go into the dashboard. So if you go to the course, test or examination with the proctoring will be restricted. So you can see here, so restricted can be used only with Aero extension. So you need to log in into your system. So first of all, so if you just give me a second, so you can choose here your language, choose English right now, and press login button. And after that, you need to pick your university. For it's Kaznu. For demonstration, I will use Aero for this for right now. Also, you need to confirm the registration in order to authorize you in our system. And the first step after registration is quick check. So system will check your web camera, microphone, and screen sharing. Does it work with our system? So you need to check with your web camera, check your microphone. So make sure that our extension and your website have access and not blocked with the browser. Also, you need to check your screen. So in the case, for example, if you're like loading very long, maybe this window is on the back side of the browser. So make sure that you and press the full screen and press share. After that, system will get access and will give you a check. So the next step is adding a photo. You will have only one chance to add your photo, so make sure that your face is clear or visible. This photo will be used to authenticate you during the exam, before the exam. So make sure that lighting in your room is also properly set. So add a photo, agree with privacy policy, and make a photo of your face. Then this face will be later used for authentication. For example, if at first for system after does not authenticate you during the exam, or you want to change your photo, you can press add a photo and send your proctor, your professor, a request. If he, for example, accept this request, your photo will be changed. So also make sure that time here is also properly set. There is some situations where, for example, this time is not correct. So for example, is the exam at 1 p.m. here's like 9 a.m. or like 4 p.m. Make sure that time zone and time is automatically set in your computer. So make sure that everything is not manually set but automatically. Okay, so make sure you can check it on your setting of your computer. So make sure that everything is correct here. So after that, enter the quiz, agree with privacy policy, and authenticate. So system received my photo. If you have problem here, probably you have a second monitor plugged into your computer. Unplug it first and retry it. So also screen access thing, and make sure that here's the window of sharing. Also make sure that your browser is up to date and no block here, nothing blocking, for example, our system. Maybe also one situation, You can, if you use Zoom or other applications and sharing your web camera or microphone, system will not have an access to your, for example, video. So make sure also that you're using only browser. Your browser is up to date, and after that, you can start the exam. You can attempt the quiz now. Start attempt, and you can start answering your questions. So. Uh, So during the examination, do not talk or use other help website because everything will be registered and will be sent as a report to your professor. But don't worry, everything will be checked twice by your professor, and um, everything will be fine if you're not cheating during the examination. So right now I can finish my attempt, submit all and finish, and system will automatically finish. So no available quizzes right now. So this is the end of the presentation. Good luck on your examinations.